Lake Malawi National Park was awarded the prize because of three important global conservation of the biodiversity. These three include the natural scenic beauty and a synthetic value. Then the second one is that one of the biological processes. These are the evolution of the fish, the speciation, and the adaptive radiation. Then the third one is that one of the conservation of the in-situ conservation of biological diversity. This is the conservation of the endemic fish species that are protected in the lake. Lake Malawi National Park benefited from the award. It benefited in supporting the law enforcement in patrol, whereby it benefited with a boat and some equipment for the field patrols. In addition to that, the most important benefit was that Lake Malawi was benefited from the award through that it helped in supporting the communities that are inside the park to be aware of the conservation of the World Heritage Site. What we have to do to improve conservation of Lake Malawi National Park as a World Heritage Site are we have to maintain the three outstanding universal values. These are the scenic beauty, the conservation of the biological processes, and the in-situ conservation of the biodiversity. We have to do these things by possibly making sure that we manage the communities that are inside the park to let them possibly have alternative livelihoods instead of collecting resources from the park. The other one is we have to see to that we understand the ecological processes such that, like with the current situation of the climate change, what is the impact of the climate change on the ecological processes that are taking place in the World Heritage Site. The other one is that one of conservation of the biological diversity. We need to really improve on our conservation in terms of management, the law enforcement, the awareness of the communities, and the research part of it. We need to really improve them in the future so that we conserve the ecological processes and the conservation of the biological diversities.